Hi, hello everybody. My name is Ginger Williams. I am part of the Queen & Company team, and I wanted to come and do a little video kind of to check in and see how everybody's doing in kind of difficult times. This is my craft room. Welcome to it. As you can see, I love Queen & Company. Been working with them for a long time, so my craft room here is definitely Queen & Company based. I wanted to demonstrate to you guys a couple of products today, kind of as a cheerful thing to think about and to have something different in your newsfeed than some of the quarantine stuff. I thought we'd have a chance to do something fun and pretty, and hopefully my kids give me a minute. They're all home, of course, and my husband is here working. He's been sharing my office with me as he works from home, so if we get interrupted, sorry about that, but 'tis life these days, right? The thing I wanted to talk about at the moment are some of the new dies that you may have seen on our website. These are our new gift bag pocket dies. This one is the mini scalloped version, and it also comes in the large scalloped version, and it comes in the plain rectangle as well. And when you run those through a die cut machine, what you get are these little panels. So scalloped, mini scalloped, and regular. And they have this little tiny hole at the top. And they also have this little, oh sorry, I shook the camera, sorry about that. They also have this little tiny tab at the bottom that pops out like that. And the purpose for those is that when you take those panels and you glue them onto a gift bag, let me grab one from back here. This is what you get. You get a pocket, a pretty pocket on your gift bag that is meant to be able to tuck your handmade cards into, so that you can now make your handmade card that you spent time and effort and sometimes blood, sweat, and tears into serving double duty as not only as a pretty card to give with your message that can easily be written inside still, but then you take your card and you can tuck it into the pocket at the top, and then once you slide it inside, then you can use that tab at the bottom right here to hold the bottom of your card still so that it doesn't flop open or fall off of your bag. And now you have this pretty little decorative gift bag that you just jazzed up really easily. I think this particular gift bag came from Dollar Tree. I think it was in a pack of 2 for $1. So very inexpensive gift bag that is now about as cute as it can be. Let's see, there's a close-up of it. You can see that these panels all have decorative stitching, as do most of our dies. But this decorative stitching kind of gives you not just a decorative touch, but it is also designed to be the guide for your glue. So if you take, a liquid glue or a thin tape runner and keep all of your liquid adhesive or any adhesive on the outside of that stitching, then you will have perfect space for your pocket. Sorry, it's upside down. This is the top part, to be able to hold your die, or excuse me, hold your card onto your gift bag with enough room, and it won't get stuck in the adhesive or not be able to slide through, as long as you keep that adhesive on the outside of this faux stitching. So a couple things about the dies. They are, as you can tell, very large. However, they have been designed so that they will fit in standard die cut machines. So this is a Cuttlebug plate, and you can see that it's been designed so that it will fit on a standard plate. Now I have a Big Shot, what's it called, a Big Shot Pro or Big Shot Plus, so I often will run it through there instead, since I can run 2 of these big dies through at a time. But if you just have a standard Cuttlebug or a Big Shot or a Platinum machine, any of the standard die cut machines, these are big, but they will still fit. And another thing about those tabs that cut at the bottom is that they allow you to be able to take your panel, there's the front side of it, and you can also rotate it to the side, so that if you have a horizontally opening card, then you can also still do the same thing. Let's see, where's my other gift bag? With that, here it is in the horizontal position. All you have to do is take a card that opens from the side, like this, and slide it into your pocket. And then that tab will still keep your card nice and shut. You can get it all the way in. There it goes. Like that. So now you have your horizontal card as well as your vertical cards able to be held onto your gift bags. Isn't that pretty? This is a card made with the new Sweet Shop cards. This is the cupcake, but I also used some of our older paper, the Flirty Florals, which came with the Love Jar kit. And that's that card there. This one again, same papers, but I used the little compact shaker from the brand new Make Me Up kit, and that's that card. And there are other, I've been decorating gift bags for years and years. I had a couple even published in some scrapbook magazines back in the, I think, maybe mid to late 2000s. I had some Halloween and some fall gift bags done in a magazine once. So I've always loved doing gift bags. But if you're doing the card and the gift bag, that can be cute because you can make and match. But this is a lot simpler and easier to kind of get double duty out of that. Plus I love that these particular pockets not only hold your card very securely, but they also give you that beautiful kind of, fun border around your edges to be able to kind of frame your card a little bit. And, I know that like Hallmark bags, they have a little pocket on the inside that you can put, a card in an envelope in so the card doesn't fall down into the bag and get lost in there. But I think it's much more fun to be able to show your pretty creation on the very front and to be able to have the versatility of using it in the horizontal or the vertical. Here's a card you'll probably recognize. Here's one of the toilet paper shaker cards that I did earlier, and that is going on a gift bag. But I have some like sidewalk chalk and some bubbles I'm going to take to a friend from church that I keep track of and make sure she's doing okay. Something for her kids, plus a little chocolate for her to drop off and help her get through quarantine with. So I love that I can give her the fun card, the decorative gift bag, all in one like that. And when she gets it, she can then take my card and unhook it from there and read the inside and stuff still too. So that's how those work. I thought I would see if I can flip my camera here. Okay, so now you're over my craft desk here. I'm going to show you a panel that I cut out in red, and I'm going to do the little gluing real fast. So again, if you can see those faux stitch details, I'm going to just keep my little liquid adhesive, and I'm just using art glitter glue, but pretty much any adhesive will work. I'm just going to go through and quickly add my little glue outside of those stitch lines. Then I'll just take it and center it here on my gift bag. I like using liquid glue because it's a little forgiving in terms of placement and straightening. But you certainly could use, a tape runner that was thin or a different type of liquid glue. And now my panel is done. Now I have a card here using the new hot air balloon card. Isn't that fun? I love putting buttons inside of these. I think they look amazing inside. So now all I have to do is slip the back side of that card into my little pocket. And now I'm going to tuck that little tab at the bottom. And now there you have it. That's how easy it is to do the gift bag panels. And now I have this fun gift bag ready for giving. All right, so that's all there is to it. I hope that you have a chance to check these dies out and see how fun they are and see how fun it is to jazz up your gift bags. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.